Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening I'm gonna cook some curry chicken wings and cornmeal dumpling with dasheen and banana. Yeah guys, some curry chicken wings, dasheen and banana and cornmeal dumpling. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. We soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is my chicken wing. You understand now, dude? So I'm gonna make it out. Cut up some chicken wings, I'm gonna see what I want. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Soon come back. What I'm gonna do, meantime, my chicken wings are out, I'm gonna knead up some flour and make it go on. Set, you understand me, I guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so, for the flour, yeah, some bad cornmeal flour, guys. Leave that. Some bad cornmeal flour with dasheen and banana. Yeah, be a badness, guys, be a badness. Cornmeal, guys. Yeah, guys, so knead up my flour. I'm gonna pour it on in our kitchen. Be a badness, guys, be a badness. Knead up my flour, guys. Yeah, guys, so finish knead up my flour. I'm gonna make it go and set, guys. I'm gonna deal with the chicken, guys. You understand how I deal? Guys, so I go on that pot, yeah. So guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna deal with my chicken. You understand how I deal? Me soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so season up my chicken. Watch that style, guys. Be a badness. Watch your badness. Some bad curry chicken, guys. Alright. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen, yeah. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna light up the stove. Yeah guys, so chicken flour. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the pot then go and cook. Now make my chicken go and cook. Make my flour pot go and boil. As soon as the water start boil, we peel the ground food, dash in and the banana put in, then we put in the flour. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. When you come in the Nicholas kitchen, be a bad food, be a bad juice. Guys, we soon come back. Yeah guys, so as you can see over here, so water start hot. I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna peel up the ground food now guys, so watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, like not to put in a banana last because the banana them young. You understand now these? Yeah, so I go put in the banana in the pot last. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so show me that sheen in the pot. Don't know the badness. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna start make me flour them put in. You understand now the put in the banana last guys. Guys, I be a badness tonight. Believe that. Be a badness. Make them so I go on for the chicken pot. Guys, be a badness tonight chicken pot guys. Be a badness. So I go on over here. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some flour, throw in a pot now. You understand now? You guys come here sweat. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna throw in some flour now guys. Over throw in some flour in it. Some bad cornmeal flour, dash in and banana with some curry chicken wings. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna peel up my banana them. I'm Irish. You understand now did watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm Irish. One Irish and just cut in a two. I'm gonna peel up the banana guys. Yeah guys, look at the banana, them small. You understand how it, but you don't know a thing go. Show them in iPad set speed, make them go and boil. Yeah guys, you know life it tell them. So guys, make the food go and cook. I will cut up some ground season now. Give me chicken wings. You don't know the things guys, soon come back. Yeah, gentle people, so what I'm gonna do now, I will line up some ground season for that chicken pot there. You understand now? The guys are be a badness in our kitchen, you know. Be a badness. We soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, now put some pumpkin. Yeah, guys, so my ground season over. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Some salt. So, guys, make the chicken go and cook. Don't know the badness go. Check for me flour pot, guys. Wow. Food them cooking. What? Guys, the food them cook. Believe that. Banana cook. Guys, I'll be a badness. Be a badness. Soon come back, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Curry chicken wings, and my cornmeal dumpling, dasheen, and banana and Irish. Guys, be a badness. Guys, the flour cook. So I do lock off, you understand how I did, so I'm just going to focus on my chicken, you know, guys. Be a badness in our kitchen. Be a badness in our kitchen, guys. And the banana then cook fast because the banana them young. You understand me how I did? Yeah. So guys, soon come back. Guys, now go season up the pot. Make him go and cook. Yeah, guys, make him go and cook. You don't know the badness. You're over. Yeah, guys, I don't know the badness. The chicken go and cook. You understand now? Stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back.